Today is September 26th, and I had this little watermelon growing outside. It has been raining for the last couple of days, and the temperatures have been cold and damp. And I went to check on my watermelons, and I noticed that this one was looking kind of sickly. Look at that stem. It was looking sort of browning. And I said, let me touch it. And when I touched it, it was soft. And you could see here, looks like it was rotting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it and see what we get here. I harvested this watermelon from my garden, and I know it was premature. And as you can see, the interior, that there was some ripening, but not enough for eating. Now, obviously, this is not what I anticipated. This is not what I wanted for this little watermelon. I wanted it to grow big and fat, but we know that the time is moving, and this is September. We harvested this watermelon last year in October, early October, and it was so delicious. Last summer, I planted a watermelon vine and was able to produce a watermelon. It was looking so good. My husband found it first and tucked it away and surprised me with it. I still have some large ones out in the front there, but let's cut this one and see what we get. All right, let's see how we're going to do this. Oh my. Yep, it wasn't ready, of course. Look at that. That's what the inside looks like of the unripened watermelon. And it didn't get a chance to do what it needed to do. Let me just cut it here too. But you could see the development of the seeds here. And it was trying to get on its way, but to no avail. Oh well. Well, I thank you for the beauty of this little watermelon, because it did beautify the front for a little bit, especially where it was located and where it was hanging. Well, that watermelon didn't make it, but I still have one here. Let's see if we can find it. Yep, I still have one here hanging, one little one. You see it? And I'm going to touch it. It feels hard. And hopefully it will grow. And I still have the one here that's looking pretty good. It sounds good, and the connection seems to be good also. And then I have the one right here that's developing. Hopefully it will grow. And then I have this one here. It sounds good. And this is the one that we're really looking forward to opening. It looks good. That's what the stem looks like. So I think that this one might be matured soon. And I think that we planned on Friday to open this one. Take it off the vine and check and see how it turns out. Well, I'm hoping for the best. One of these has to be delicious and ripe and ready. Yes, one of them has to come through for us. Come out true and through. Hallelujah. Anyway, thank you. Here we go. The cutting of the watermelon. I am anticipating cutting this watermelon. Soon, any day now, we will be cutting it and opening up and sharing it with you. I hope that we will have great success like before. And if you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you can get more videos and enjoy the garden with me. Come on with me through this journey of gardening. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.